Good, it's your boy Live Fast. We back with another video. Got the GTI downtown right now, about to get it popping. Yo, like I said, car need tint. Tomorrow, we got some tint going on it. I literally just came downtown, get some photos. I want to see how the car look without tint, and then when the tint go on, we're gonna get some new pics with the tint. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop some of those no tint pics right now. Check those out. Tell me what you think. It's a good morning, baby. So today, going to get tint put on the GTI. It's gonna be a good day. I can't wait to see it when it's done. I already know it's gonna look 1,000 times better. This is one of those cheap, easy mods you can do on a car. Take the level of it from here and bring it up here, just from looks and aesthetics alone. So let's go ahead and drive it over there. We'll go ahead and get the tint put on it, and I can't wait for the reveal. Let's go. Shorty right behind me. Yo, that Civic looking sinister though, I ain't gonna lie. Showing up to the spot now. Now we walking in. Let's go ahead and crack open the door. Hey. Almost went with the 5. Gonna roll with the 20 though. We'll see what it look like. All right, so I just got the news. The whip is all done. We about to get ready to go pick it up. I cannot wait to see what it look like once it's all finished and the tint is on there. Let's go. I'm so excited. Babe, what you think that tint about to look like? How's now you think it's gonna look?
I think it's gonna look sweet. I'm really excited to see it, actually.
I'm pretty hyped for it as well, yo. I can't wait. So I got the keys. Looking at it, I already paid. So I got the ceramic. So from outside it's dark, but from the inside, look out and it looks like normal. No difference. That's awesome. I asked them to do the brow for me too, just so I ain't got to worry about the sun in my eyes and stuff. Man, would you look at that? That's clean. What you say, Bob?
I said it look good on here.
Yeah?
Hi, B.
Was it good? Oh, yeah.
He called me and said, did you want the sunroof done? Did you want the back tail lights done? I said, nah, he don't need none of that.
Nah.
Just give him that. But it definitely makes the car look a lot better.
Yeah. So I had him put the brow on it too.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
He called me about that too.
Sheesh. Look how clean that's looking. That was good. We over here at Triple S Auto Repair. You know how that go. Oh snap, we got the bro out. What's up, man?
You ain't getting 5%.
Nah, I ain't get 5%. Yo, introduction. YouTube. It's my bro. That's Sam. That's Pops. That's Pops over there. Yo, let me show y'all this project that we was working on that we just never got completed. We had it driving for a bit. Shorty blew the engine up. That's why we ended up with the new Civic that you see. However, this was her original Civic. Painted Nardo gray. Got the red calipers. We had to put an engine in it once already. Transmission once already. Now it had to put another engine in it. So now we gotta figure out what's going on with it because now it's having some issues. Yo, so now the tint is done. The car is looking better. Look at it from the side. It looks so good. Anyways, what I want to say is thank you to the tint shop. They did such a great job with the tint on this car. If you need some help or you need some tint on your car, they do remote car starters, all types of things. Make sure to hit up the tint shop. They can definitely take care of your car, take care of your ride for a great price. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. So right here, let me stop. The video's not done yet. Check it out. It's now the next day. GTI is tinted. It is now time for us to go get this one tinted. So this is Shorty's Civic Hatchback. We're gonna go ahead and get this tinted up. We're gonna do darker in the rear, little lighter up front with a brow across the front. Probably gonna be doing the ceramic tint on hers as well, just because that looks so good, because when you're on the inside, you can see so clearly out the windows, no matter how dark those windows are. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Time to go get that good old tint put on there. We heading there now. If you don't know, I'm in my Silverado right now. Back again. Let's go ahead and now it's time for Shorty's whip. I went down here. I went for the 20% on the max cool. Yeah.
Okay, so with ceramic, I'll leave it up to 3 simple things. You get better visibility, so you'll get a 1-up rule. If you get a 5%, you're seeing out at 20. 20, you're seeing out at about 35. 35 you're seeing out in about 50, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
That you'll get a full lifetime warranty as long as you have that vehicle, which is a Honda. It's going to be kicking forever.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Leave me on tinted.
Okay, yeah.
This is going to be a legal tint, so the darker I go, the better that gets, because heat does come from light.
Oh,
So the more light I can block out, it just naturally gets better.
Oh,
Yeah.
so we're gonna do the 20% all around on hers. How you feeling right now?
I'm so anxious.
It's time, right? It's time.
Yeah, I'm ready to see the results. So now I gotta go keep myself busy for the next few hours. Can't wait.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Shorty just got the message. Her car is done. It's time for us to go pick it up. Can't wait to see what it looks like. How you feeling, Shorty?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see it.
Hey.
I hope it looks good. I hope it looks as good as this.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I know it's kind of hard for y'all to see this because she got her shades on. Let's get through this parking lot real quick.
Babe, I really can't see.
I know. We're almost there.
Babe.
Almost there. Almost there. All right. Open your eyes.
So good.
Yo, they put it right next to another Civic 11 Gen sedan hatchback. I'm liking that wing he put on there though. That's tough. Now from the inside, ceramic tint on hers, so you can see right out of it. Outside, whoo, you just seeing us. So it is now the following day. Cars are tinted up. Civic, looking good. GTI, looking good as well. We got the tint on both of these. We got the brow running across. We did 20% on both cars. So it's very hard to see in, but you can see out perfectly with the ceramic tint. Shorty, how you feeling about them?
I love the tint. I feel like it helps the look. It helps the sunlight. Love it. It's clean.
Yeah, we honestly couldn't ask for more. Honestly, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.